In our podcast, Keep It or Change Cars, we discuss, we buy cars. Hats off to management for engaging and showing us you listen and care. Change Cars looks forward to interviewing We Buy Cars and showing why they are without a doubt SA's standout car buying service. Catch You Ask, We Answer, Pirelli versus Continental, our top tyre picks and some F1 talk. Let us know if you agree with Mike and Nikki. In this episode of All Things Motoring, we hit the dirt with the wildest, most spirited off-road event in South Africa. This is All Things Motoring News. To read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. Stellantis expands the Fiat and Jeep brands in Gauteng. New Volkswagen Golf now available in South Africa. Tow like a pro with the Ford Ranger. SOS Children's Village and Stellantis empower driving skills. Hit the road in comfort these holidays in the JETOUR X70 Plus, a 7-seater family vehicle. Read Colin Wendell's article, Mercedes-Benz extends warranty package, spanning 7 years or 140,000 kilometers. The package is designed to maintain vehicle performance while offering added support beyond routine upkeep. Remember, to read the full articles or view the full videos, click on the links below. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by Change Cars. If you're looking to sell, need advice, need finance, or need insurance, Change Cars has you covered.